What would you do if a news report told you the world was ending? In 1977, an ominous broadcast sent shockwaves through the nation, claiming a catastrophic event was imminent. The source? A sensationalized story that spread fear faster than wildfire. As people rushed to prepare for the apocalypse, media outlets scrambled to report on the developing situation, causing even more panic. It wasn't until days later that the truth emerged. The Doomsday story was baseless, fueled by misinformation. This incident serves as a haunting reminder of the power of the press and the need for responsible journalism. Are we paying attention to the stories we choose to believe?